Hello guys, now let us discuss question 144. The question is the corresponding factor A to the ideal gas equation corresponds to. The options are: first, forces of attraction between the gas molecules; second, electric field present between the gas molecules; third, volume of gas molecules; and fourth, density of gas molecules. So the correct answer here is option 1. Now let us take, as we know, the van der Waals equation is P plus A n square by B square, and it's V minus NB. From so the A is the part we are talking about, and that is the force of attraction. Force of attraction between the gas molecules. Between gas molecules. Okay, so the greater the value of A, which is in atom liter square per molecule square, the greater the value of A, the more easily gas liquefies. Hence the correct option is 1. Thank